Today we have a major eruption of the Stromboli volcano in the southern Italy. This is in the Ionian Sea, which is near the Sicily where the Etna is. The island is actually inhabited, so we have a village there, but also on the other side of it we have this volcano erupting regularly like this one. We had a minor one, the major one also happened. When you look at the thermal image on the summit of the volcano, you can see clearly the thermal signature of eruption fountain. This is a Strombolian style, means that the fountains of the lava rise in several hundred meters to the sky. We have a video of this from a previous eruption, as you can see here. It can be really beautiful, like a firework. And as you can see, lots of pyroclastics and lava rising, hot glowing lava. And this is part of the Africa and the Eurasia collision zone. Africa is moving northward, pushing against the Eurasia. And where the subduction is happening, Etna and the Stromboli and other volcanoes are erupting, including Vesuvius in the past. And this is the map of the Stromboli. You can see to the north side there is a flat area, pink colored in this one. This is the area that the active volcanism is happening all the time, being resurfaced again. So nothing grows there at the moment.